Get Out Sleeping, Part 1.
Get me in this.
Did he break the bed?
Oh, you awake now, eh? Now he's awake. As I fall off his ass, he wakes up. Marty K-Dog! What happened to going on the internet, you fucking nigger? Hey, get off me! Get this sneaker off me, man. Hold on. Is it off yet? Leg drop. Up top elbow.
Oh my god, you're gonna break the bed.
Bam! Bam! Okay, kid, come on. So, man, if you want to ride to the station, you're coming now. Oh, my head. Okay, come on, man. Fuck. Sharpshooter! Sharpshooter! Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Get up. Ah!
You just laughed.
Sleeper hold. Sleeper hold. He's done. He's done. Hold on, hold on, hold on. No, he's not done. He's not done. Okay, come on, man. Let's go. I gotta go. My girls are gonna think I fucked another girl in here now.